I attended the Trial Lawyers College in Du Bois, Wyoming, run by the legendary Jerry Spence back in 2012. And so, I don't know, maybe 50 to 60 of us, as kind of young wannabe trial lawyers, spent close to a month out on this ranch. And the one thing that Jerry taught us that I always remembered but never really understood is he would say, it all begins with you. And I heard that and kind of appreciated it, but never really understood it until I lived it. And now, having been a trial lawyer for a relatively substantial amount of time, having had the highs and the lows, the success and the failures, I now see how that is very true. I call it kind of the mirror test. When I'm at my very best as a leader in the courtroom, in my community, in my law firm, I can look in the mirror without blinking because I'm living my life morally, I'm making the right choices, I have no shame. I'm healthy emotionally. I'm not hanging on to baggage. I don't have resentment. I don't have fear. And I'm living my life with confidence because of those things. So I don't have self-doubt. And so as trial lawyers, or really leaders in anything, but especially I think as trial lawyers, we come into a courtroom and we get to know these strangers for a very brief period of time. And we ask them to accept us as leaders. We say, look, you should follow me and not the other guy. And so, what is going to cause them to pick me? And it's my very firm belief, after having lived it myself, that if I don't believe wholeheartedly in myself as a person worthy of being followed, then they're not going to follow me. And so whatever it is at any time that causes you as the trial lawyer any kind of shame, let's start with that, any kind of shame, you need to remove that from your life. Because you're going to flunk the mirror test every single time. And if you flunk the mirror test, you're going to flunk the leadership test. You have to remove any kind of fear because, again, if you don't believe in yourself and whatever gives rise to that fear, you need to take care of that, make it go away. And there's ways you can do that. And finally, if you have any self-doubt, I'm not worthy. I'm not attractive. People don't like me. Why would anyone listen to me? You need to take care of those things because those aren't real issues. Those are issues that come from you. And so I have learned, by virtue of doing this for a while, with some very significant ups and downs, that I need to be morally right with the world. I need to be emotionally right with the world, and I need to be physically well in myself, to be the very best leader that I can possibly be and the very best trial lawyer that I can possibly be. And so for me, it is true. The best me is always going to be the best trial lawyer, and the best you is always going to be the best trial lawyer. And I'm living proof of it.